Hi everyone, I'm Tushar and welcome to Learning Trends. So today we are going to learn about new topic which is Sync Slicer. As the name suggests, Sync Slicer, so it is related to slicer only and by the name sync. So this is a procedure where we can sync two slicers. Let's see how we can sync those slicers, right? And I know everyone must know about what the sync is, right? So let's suppose this account type slicer is there in the first canvas, also available in the second canvas, right? Let's suppose if I have choose others as a account type a slicer, but when I go into the another canvas, there is single slicer value is all, right? There might be a situation when somebody, your manager, your client ask you that I want these two slicer to be synced with each and other, right? In this situation, how you can sync these two slicers? So there is a way out. Click on to the sync slicer. So here you have another tab, right? Well, by opening this, when you click on any of the filter or sorry slicer, so here you can see this account type slicer is available in both the canvas. So these page names, I'm calling page names as canvas here, right? There is one canvas dashboard, another one is top 10 customer due, right? So by checking on these, no, this visible, that means the account type filter is available in both the canvas or both the pages. This option is for visibility, and this one is for syncing. When I'm clicking on it, as if this is showing me like unchecked, that means both are not synced to each other. Let me check this. Let's suppose if I select interest as account type, and when I go to another page, so automatically it is taking as interest, which is sync with the first page slicer value, right? And let's suppose if I change the value from here from internet to Texas, so oh, here also we can see the value is changed. This is the work of sync slicer. Both the things are important, this visibility and sync. That's what the sync slicer is, right? So we will catch in another video with another topic. If you guys want to learn, want to ask something, please do comment in the comments. Guys, please subscribe and like the video and subscribe the channel, just because I'm going to share all the interviews question that are very important as per the interview perspective. Let's meet in another video, right?